Hi friends, wishing you all a very happy new year. Let us start the new year with a traditional Indian sweet made from sesame seeds. This is the tilki Barfi. Tilki Barfi is loaded with the goodness of sesame seeds. So this recipe is good for the winters and is also associated with Makar Sakranti festival, which is round the corner. The sesame sweet Burfi is quick and easy to make. Friends, I hope you are enjoying this channel. Do share your feedback and comments, and thank you for being amazing viewers. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. And now, without taking up any more time, let us get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of sesame seeds, that is the til seeds, 3/4 to 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup milk powder, around 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, or you can use ghee, half cup of milk, 7 to 8 crushed cardamoms, 1 to 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped pistachios, Firstly, we shall lightly roast the sesame seeds. This has to be done on a low to medium flame. Stir it occasionally. Keep a constant watch, because if they are over roasted, then the seeds will become a bit bitter. And now the seeds seem to be done. They have puffed up a bit. We'll let the seeds cool, and after cooling, half the quantity we will grind it coarsely, and half of the seeds we'll let them be whole. Keep a pan on low flame and add the butter or ghee to it. To this, add the milk. Stir it till the butter dissolves. And then add the milk powder. Mix it nicely so as to avoid any lumps. At this stage, you may add the sugar, or you may add the sugar a little later. Keep stirring constantly. You need to work on low to medium flame. You can see that the milk powder has mixed nicely into the butter. There are no lumps now. I added the sugar at this stage. You could have added earlier. As the sugar melts, the mixture will become a little dilute. And as you keep on stirring on low to medium flame, the mixture thickens up again. You need to be very patient here. Do check out my other videos on desserts and sweets. Now you can add the coarsely ground sesame seeds as well as the whole sesame seeds and also the cardamom powder, and keep mixing. Do not leave the pan at this stage. Gradually you will find that the mixture leaves the sides. In between, just scrape off the sides. Adjust the flame as and when required. If you think the butter is less, you can add some more. Can you see the difference? Gradually the mixture is leaving the sides of the pan. I think now we are nearly done. Now grease a plate . And spread this mixture in the plate or thali. Spread it evenly. Level off the mixture so that you get a smooth surface. And then sprinkle some crushed pistachios. Now let this mixture set for 1 or 2 hours. And you can give some marks onto the Mithai or the Burfi, but do not cut before it is set. After a minimum of 2 hours of setting, you can cut the Barfi into desired shapes and enjoy this Barfi with your family and friends. Doesn't the Mithai look tempting? Why not grab a piece? So why not treat your friends and family in this winter with this tilki burfi or the sesame sweets. By the way, did you know that sesame seeds are a good source of fiber and B vitamins and support healthy bones? Friends, thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Soon I'll be back with another video. Till then, goodbye.